In today's video, I'm going to teach you, can you connect ClickBank to PayPal? The short answer is that ClickBank does not send payouts directly to PayPal. Instead, the reliable way to get paid is to set up direct deposit to your bank account inside ClickBank. Once your earnings land in your bank, you can move money to PayPal on your own if you prefer. I'll walk you through exactly how to configure your payment settings so your commissions are deposited smoothly and on schedule. Start by signing into your ClickBank dashboard in your web browser. From the main dashboard, look for the Accounts section. This is where all of your ClickBank accounts, also known as nicknames, are listed. Click the nickname you use for selling or receiving commissions so you open the correct account workspace. Inside that account, go to Account Settings. This is the control center for your profile, business details, and most importantly, how you get paid. Scroll to the Payment Information area and choose the option to edit. You're about to tell ClickBank exactly where to send your money. On the payment method screen, select Direct Deposit. This is the fastest, most dependable payout route for most sellers and affiliates. Before you continue, it helps to have your banking details handy. You'll need your bank name, account holder name exactly as it appears on the account, your routing or sort code, and your account number. If you bank outside the United States, be ready with your IBAN or SWIFT BX and the correct currency information. Enter the details carefully and double-check every field to avoid delays or returned payments. You may also see options related to payout schedule or threshold. Your threshold is the minimum amount you want to accumulate before ClickBank sends a payment. Choose a number that matches your cash flow needs, and remember that larger thresholds can reduce payment fees or small transfers, while smaller thresholds get money to you more frequently. When everything looks correct, save your changes. Look for a confirmation message on the page to be sure your update was recorded. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure the name on your ClickBank account matches the name on your bank account to prevent rejections. Confirm the currency and country fields so your bank can receive the funds without conversion issues. If you make changes later, give the system a little time to apply them before your next payout window. That's it. While you can't connect ClickBank directly to PayPal, setting up direct deposit ensures you get paid reliably, and you can then manage your balances however you like.